Welcome to the vignette Defining Inclusion and Exclusion Criteria. You have a research question and you're starting to collect studies to include in your meta-analysis. Now you need to figure out your inclusion and exclusion requirements as you start sifting through papers. One good way to start is to come back to some of the questions you used when deciding on your topic. Now you can change your questions to be inclusion requirements. Using our example of word segmentation, we may say that all studies must use natural speech for stimuli and use looking time as the dependent variable. Similarly, you may have specific requirements for population, such as all of the participants being typically developing or between certain ages. Remember, every meta-analysis is unique, and some inclusion requirements may be specific to your research question. When you've decided on inclusion-exclusion criteria, be sure to note it for future reference in your decision spreadsheet, for instance in a tab called Criteria. This is important not only for good documentation, but also if you or someone else wants to add studies later. You may also have some variables you think are important, but not sure if you want to use them as a basis for inclusion or exclusion. Be sure to note those too in the notes. It's always easier to filter out papers you've coded than to have to go back and refine papers you wish you had included initially. With your inclusion and exclusion requirements in place, you're ready to start your literature search.